Remember that one? Look, I had a jawline back then. And cheekbones you could grate Parmesan off. And now look at me. Like I've come sixth in a regional Sue Perkins lookalike competition.
All accessible humour, it's brilliant, really very funny.
I mean, I've just cried with laughter.
Really enjoying Sue. She's much better than Mel, and her anecdotes are just fantastic.
I love the bake-off puns.
Let's get ready to crumble! Crumble in the jungle! I can see your ginger nuts. Gosh, what enormous baps. Wow, that's a big creamy horn. Gosh, what a moist ring.
Hilariously funny. I loved the mescal sequence and really unexpectedly moving.
But I think the show is for everyone, and you just got to go in there and be open-minded.
It's a whiskey business. Muffin ventured, muffin gained. Scone but not forgotten, scone with the wind. Scone in 60 seconds. Scone go! I'm whisk avert. You think this is the whole show now, don't you? It is.